Okay, and then the last two groups are perspectivalism, excuse me, and human nature. So with perspectivalism, keywords, perspectival, relativistic, nihilism, metaphor. What's he arguing against? He's we saw this with in the truth category or group. He's arguing against an enduring, essentialized, static, monumentalized idea of the truth, which he would render as a dead truth, right? But this dead truth, right, is, what if you're in your family, right, you would call, no, this is your traditions. These are the things that are always there, that are concrete, that always come up the same way. If you're working within a religion, right, it's, uh, this idea of truth, essentialized, monumentalized. Well, that's God, right? That's something that's always there, that it's fixed, that you sort of know in some way, shape, or form. And if you're talking about the modern world, well, it's science, it's history, right? It's that we can use our rationality and our scientific method or our methods in order to find an essentialized monologic teleological truth, right? And so Nietzsche is criticizing all of that, right? He's saying, nope, right? That's that idea of the truth, if it does exist, right, is is not the version of truth that we're looking for. And just to add to that, this idea that truth has been disciplined and instrumentalized by specialization, abstraction, non-thinking belief, the knowledge industry, educational institutions, right? So this is, the real critique of the modern world, right? So he is critiquing the traditional world, right, of family and of religion, right? Uh, but his real, critique, right? I mean, he sees let me go back a second. He sees sort of traditional, religious, and the modern sort of all doing the same thing in Western culture, right? But his specific critique is about the modern world, right? And how we discipline ourselves and instrumentalize ourselves in terms of a truth. And here he's really speaking to, our education systems, right? The fact that we specialize and we have a department major that we choose early in our university career, and then we become instrumentalized. We take tests. We learn how to sort of find this truth or follow this truth by becoming somewhat, automatized or mechanized in the pursuit of this truth.